Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to sell digital downloads on Etsy website. So all you need to do first of all is just go and open the browser that you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. So of course here in my case I'm actually using Brave, but of course in your case you can use any other browser, could be possibly working for you. So once you actually open your browser, just go here to the URL section and type etsy.com and hit the enter button. That will take you into this page. If you are logged in into your account, you'll find the sentence here, welcome back, and your name or your username. Of course, if you are not logged in into your account or you don't even have an account, you'll have an option to at the top right corner to sign in. Of course, just go and click on it. You'll have the option to log in or even to create your account from there. You can do both options with your Google account, Facebook account, or even Apple account if you don't want to go through all the boring steps of creating or logging in into your account. Of course, once you logged in into your account or you just created your account, you'll find, as we said, yourself here at this home or at this main page with the welcome back sentence. So as we said, you would like to sell some digital downloads on your Etsy shop. So simply, first of all, you would like to click at the shop manager at the top right corner icon. So just go and click on it, then go and click at listing at the left section. Once you do that, you'll find yourself here at this home page. As you can see, I already have something here digital. And of course, how can you make your own? So let me just go and show you by adding a new list. Of course, by just click at add a listing at the top right corner, and here you may add some photos, videos of the products, and etc. Of course, a title. You should fill whatever mandatory. You will recognize that by this star. And of course, as you can see here, they are actually showing me if I want to add the dish category of what I'm selling. And of course, if I keep scrolling down, so let me just keep scrolling until okay, it's not here. I guess I missed it. It should be here. Yeah, here is it, the type. So you would like to change that from physical to digital, and you will be actually good to go. So once you filled everything, just go and hit the publish button and you will be good to go. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.